Hello, and my name is Lev, and today I'll be demoing Let's Swap. Let's Swap finds you the best liquidity pool paths across multiple liquidity pools to get maximum output on a token swap. It will even look across different liquidity pool hops. So if you're trying to go from token A to B, it will look at liquidity pools from token A to C and token C to B in finding the best output. And then it will take some of your input token to a certain fraction of your input token to one liquidity pool, a certain fraction to another liquidity pool, and so on, getting you the best possible output. So let's get started. We're going to sign in. And on the right-hand side, you can see my current balances of different testnet tokens. And we're going to be doing rft.tokenfactory.testnet, which is the ref finance token. We're going to put one in, and we're going to build the trade and deposit the tokens. Build the trade will forecast how much you're going to get out, as well as find the optimal splits between different liquidity pools. So, and then it will deposit the tokens into the contract. So it says we're going to get 0.89027, so on, out of wrapped testnet. Let's store that for later. Oh, my bad. Say okay. This also adds an access key so that later on, when you're firing off a lot of transactions at once, because you're going across multiple liquidity pools, you don't have to constantly approve things. So now that has happened, you can see that the balance on the ref finance token, which was this, has gone down by 1 because it was deposited. And now we're going to execute the trade. And it'll take a second because there's just a good few calls being made to the RPC, and you're doing a lot of transactions. Granted, all the transactions are being done in parallel, but yeah, so once that goes through, you can see this balance increase. Yep, there we are. And you see the balance went up, and it was pretty close to the estimate, 0.002 off. This is how much you made in total. And you can say okay. And let's refresh this, and you should see the W near balance has gone up, exactly how much the program said. And that is Let's Swap. For a better visualization of how Let's Swap works, you can see that what it's really doing here is it's looking at all the liquidity pools where each edge in this graph is a liquidity pool, and it'll find the best weightings for how much of the input token should go to the different liquidity pools to get you the maximum out of token B in this case. So thank you, and have a nice day.